great taste. That's why this is our place.
Big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag. Yeah, my bag is loaded up with snacks and different foods. Squeeze into this tiny shirt, my big bag has no room. Big bag, 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 big.
Plug.
We got medium fry, 3-pack cookie, hot and spicy, and another hot and spicy with no sauce. Motherfucker didn't stand a chance. As you watching this video, comment how many days you think it's gonna take me to give up on doing this challenge. I think I'll be able to do it. I just know I'll probably get tired of it around like Wednesday, Thursday. Y'all can call me a big back. It's deserving. Eating McDonald's for a week straight, you deserve it. McDonald's cookies better than Oreos, Chips Ahoy. They might be the greatest cookies in the world. I ain't gonna cap to you. On that note, day one is complete.
Plug.
Good morning, big back. Rise and shine. Get your big back ass up. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Get up, big back. Get your big back ass up on this Tuesday.
I'm finna lose some of my money doing this shit. This shit hard. Huh? On the screen right here? What you been on? Mm-hmm.
That brain shit just blowing up. Pop out on me like shit to go. Gotta stop smoking on all this shit I be doing.
I'm sure stopped all this shit.
What?
Smoking. We're doing all type of shit.
This shit, smoking, this shit stressful here.
Slow you down too.
I smoke like an ounce of shit. I ain't smoking shit too.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta sacrifice some shit you want to get to a point in your life.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Hard work too.
God. Seeing y'all ass go with God, that shit motivation. God.
I ain't even.
You ain't even up there where you want to be.
Yeah.
Elevate, my nigga.
Put the work in, bro.
This shit going on over like about, 2.5 years, man.
Mm-hmm.
Shit crazy, 2 years.
It felt fast, bro.
Yeah, God, for real. Oh, God, when we start, how old you were?
17, 18,
How old you in now?
20.
Damn. Damn. I know your ass can put this shit on you like, damn. Shit, they did. I ain't hustling, floating, shit like, I was like, damn, like, I got a plan, fool. I just gotta do this shit.
You gotta do it, fool. Don't wait too long on it.
I ain't gonna wait too long, fool. I'm trying to give me a coffee.
The thing is though, even me, I know these young niggas I be cutting this shit.
Yeah.
They be calling me uncle shit. But we still young, fool, so you can try some shit, you can fail, just keep going, cuz.
God. One time you do it, yeah. God, big fool. I'm good with you.
What's up, fool? Love. McDonald's got the best cookies in the world.
Plug.
Get up, big back. I know it's cold as fuck out there, but get your big back ass up. Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Face ass.
Plug.
Get your big back ass up. Yeah, it's Thursday. Get your big back ass up. Let's go. Let's go, baby.
Plug.
Get your fucking big back ass up. Yeah, it's Friday, big back. You made it. You made it through the week, baby. You made it. Hey, you never gave up. You never gave up. Yeah, get your big back ass up. Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Why somebody shit in here for? Like, it's like somebody done pull they pan down and took shit right here. You know what I mean? Here, thank y'all for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment if y'all want more ideas like this. I'm out, bro.